Hey buddy, in this video I'm going to walk you through the Buddy Email Customizer plugin, and this plugin is designed for especially for the email layouting, so you can make your email branding. Generally the BuddyBoss and the other platform doesn't give the good look to your email layouts. So if you use a BuddyBoss, for example, have a lot of emails, and if you send these emails, they generally have a basic text, and a basic layout doesn't look like it doesn't represent your branding of your sites or your platform, right? So that's why we have created a common email design layout, and this is kind of customizer where you can design your email branding, and you can add the more lot of details, like for example you can add the header, you can add the footer, you can add the different kind of content in that footer, as well as your, if you have the other platform, you can also link them here on an email, right? So this plugin generally work kind of wrapper. So if your any plugin, other plugin send the email from that, we capture those emails and we just take the content part of that email and we wrap up our header and footer, as well as the call to actions, like a linking of your other platform or maybe the app or something, right? So here we will see how it is working and what settings we have for that. We have a preview here, you can see, and also we have a mobile preview if you want to see. So it looks like similar how it appear on the mobile once you send the email to your actual mailbox. And another part, we have a basic templating. These are just color template, right? So you can use them if you want. And the main thing part of it is like we have a control on multiple sections of this email template. So first of all, we have a general setting. Under the general setting, you can set the width of your email content, like this white area you can see on the preview is kind of email content area. This is a container size, how much you want to keep for the desktop version, right? And we have a font option, we have a background, so you can see this background here, and we have header text. So header text generally appear when your mail appear in your mailbox and you can see in the list. So it looks like you can change your header text, right? And other part is that we have a header. So header is something this part, and here you can change the alignment of the header content. You can add the padding as you want to properly give a proper spacing to your email content. We have a banner options for that. You can set the banner at the header if you want, and here is a logo. You can set your logo and some tagline if you want. If you don't want, you can just make them empty, it will not be appear here, right? And also we have a color option, that what color you want. If you want to keep some background color here, you can just set the background, and we have a text color options as well, so you can set the text color. Similar way, we have a content area. So we mostly take the content from the emails which are sending, for example BuddyBoss sending the email, so we just take the content area and we place it into our email wrapper. And for designing this, we have just took couple of the settings, like alignment of the content, the background if you want to change, the text color if you want to apply, and some padding color, right? This is just what we have for the content area, because we cannot generally change the content area. It is coming from that different plugin like a BuddyBoss, BuddyPress, or a Gravity or any form plugin, so, right? And the third part is that call to action. So we have added these sections here where you can link your other platform, if you have a different app like a Android app or iOS app, you can link your app to the email content area, or you can add any other platform, or you want to add some advertising or some other thing, you can do it. For that we have options, that alignment, and you want to change this content area, you can change it. Also the padding for this entire section. And we have a 2 button options, so you can change the URL here in the button, and also you can change the logo for them. If you want to keep any other button, you can just keep the image here, maybe something else, and also for the second button. So currently we have an option for the 2 button, and you can add any image, any URL in this section, right? So generally we have used for the app. And the main part of it is like a footer. So we have a footer section here. The footer section has like multiple options for that. Let me show you. So in a footer section, if you see, we have alignment of the footer content area where you want to put. So this is completely from this part, and we have some basic color options like a background, text color, the link color, and the padding of the sections. And first of all, we have a content area. What content you want to put? If you want to put something additional content, you can put in the footer content. After that, we have a copyright text which you can put it here, right? And we have an address. You want to put some for the business address, you can see here. And then we have some page link if you want to add some your additional page like a contract and other pages. And you can add more pages if you want to link here in your email. And after that, we have social media URLs here, so you can add some social links here, like a Facebook, Twitter, and some other Instagram, LinkedIn. So you can add your social media URL. If you want to change the logos, you can change the logo. If you want to change the URL, you can change URL, right? So we have option for both. You can add your icon, you can add the URL like the page of link of your page. And the other option, we have unsubscribe link. So it is generally going to the BuddyBoss notifications for the user so that they can unsubscribe some of the email type. But if you want to hide this, you can just say, you can set this and you can hide it, right? So this is how it works. And we have option for we have option for the advanced setting. So under this advanced setting, we have option for custom CSS. For example, something doesn't look correct in your email. Maybe it is possible because we are trying to support all email, all type of plugins email. So if something has some emails has a custom or inline styles added and it doesn't look good, so you can add your own custom CSS here as well. For testing this, you can also test. So we have an option here to test this email, how it looks. Let me show you for test one of them. So you can see this is a mailbox and this is how it looks like, right? This is the actual mailbox, so you can see how it looks on the mail. And we have option for, if you have all the settings, you can export the setting, you can import the setting. And we have reset if you want to reset this everything. And once you change something, you can save these settings, and the similar options are like the design will be applied on your site, right? For your emails. You can also check some WooCommerce mails. Let me show you. For example, we have WooCommerce here, and if we test some of the test email how it looks, we can test them as well, right? This is just a test because it is going to be internal mail box, right? And if you see, so this is how it looks on your WooCommerce emails, right? You can I mean, it supports almost all the other plugins email. For example, if you check the BuddyBoss emails and other emails, this all works. And also the form plugin, for example, you are using Gravity, so Gravity just send the text to your email, it doesn't look good. And if you want to make your own branding for all emails, so simply you can use this plugin and design your layout according to your branding, right? And you can use it. So please test this, and if you have any question, please comment below. Thank you.